Hunter ceiling fan in our friend's house. Is one of the bedrooms. I think it's a sea air or a mariner. Can can't tell the difference between the two. And it's on the pull chain and ball control. This is low on the pull chain and low on the control. This is gonna be slow. Wow, like a restaurant fan. Graceful. This is medium on the control and low on the pull chain. Wait, I guess it's going to go open the door. Open the windows. Didn't quite want. Wow. Why not open these windows? Oh, there we go. Get some nice cool air. There you go. Open the windows. There we go. Nice cool air. And this is high speed on the control and low on the speed control. Now we're starting all over again. This is medium on the speed control. Sorry, medium on the chain and low on the speed control. This is medium on both controls. This is high in the control and medium on the pull chain. It's just starting to blow some air. And now, this is, I'm going to do a, better move the chair back. We don't need it anymore. High speed on the control, sorry, high speed on the chain, I keep saying control, and low speed on the fan. I think this is 44 inch, 52 inch. Medium on the control, high on the fan. Trying to blow some air. There's 3 pull chains, one for a light, which is absent, one for reversing. And I think this is a Canadian fan if I'm not. I think it's a Canadian design if I'm not wrong. There you go. High speed, anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.